We'll guide you through how to make underline text in Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Discord users want to learn simple text formatting to make their messages stand out. Underlining text helps emphasize important points in chats, since not everyone knows the correct symbols to use. This guide helps users quickly understand and apply the formatting feature. It also makes communication clearer. It is easy to follow. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search field at the top of the window. Type Discord into the search field. Then look at the search results and choose the official website of Discord. Click the official Discord website to open it. After the website loads, find and click the login button on the page. Once you are on the login page, enter your email in the email field. Next, enter your password in the password field. After entering your login information, click the login button to access your account. When your account is opened, complete the verification process if it is required. After your account is verified, look for the server that you want to use. Scroll or check your server list to find the correct one. Once you find the server, click the server to open it. After entering the server, look for the chat channel you want to use and click it. When the chat opens, click the chat field at the bottom of the screen. In the chat field, type 2 underscores to begin formatting your message. After typing the 2 underscores, type the message you want to send. Make sure you type your message directly after the underscores without adding extra spaces at the beginning. When you finish typing your message, type 2 underscores again at the end of your text. This will complete the underline format for your message. After that, press enter on your keyboard to send the message. Once you press enter, your message will be sent automatically in the chat. The text you typed will appear underlined because you added 2 underscores at the beginning and at the end of the message. This shows that the formatting has been applied correctly. Other users in the server will be able to see your message with the underline effect in the chat.